In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync an Asana project to Google Calendar. If you want to see your Asana project deadlines alongside the rest of your schedule, this is a simple and very practical setup. By connecting your project to Google Calendar using an iCal link, you can make project dates easier to track without having to switch back and forth between platforms all the time. To begin, open your Asana project and look at the project header near the top of the page. In that area, click the Project Options menu. This is where Asana keeps several project-level settings and sharing options. From the menu, choose Export or Share. Once that section opens, look for the Sync to Calendar option. Asana will generate an iCal link for the project calendar feed. Go ahead and copy that link carefully. This link is what allows Google Calendar to subscribe to your Asana project's dates. After you've copied the link, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left-hand side, find the Other Calendars section. Next to it, click the plus icon to open more calendar options. From the menu that appears, select from URL. This tells Google Calendar that you want to add a calendar feed coming from another app or service, rather than creating a brand new calendar manually. Now paste the iCal link you copied from Asana into the URL field. Before you add it, it's a good idea to quickly check that the full link pasted correctly, since even a small missing character can prevent the calendar from syncing properly. Once everything looks right, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will then subscribe to your Asana project calendar. Depending on your settings and how quickly the sync updates, it may take a little time for all events or due dates to appear. Once it's connected, you should be able to view your Asana project dates directly inside Google Calendar, making it much easier to keep tasks and deadlines visible throughout your day. If you don't see items appear immediately, give it a few minutes and refresh your calendar. Also remember that subscribed calendars may not always update instantly, so slight delays can be normal. With that done, your Asana project is now linked to Google Calendar, helping you stay organized and keep your timeline in one convenient